Okay.
Okay. Omi and Odu is the same thing, right?
Right.
Omi is the water. Odu is the river.
Odo is just
Odo.
like a small
Odo is like
lake or pond or
no. You relate this with river.
Okay.
okay.
You relate this with lagoon.
Lagoon. Okay.
Alright. Alright. To keep it simple, because it's more complex than that. Because you can find Ojuro on rivers too. You can find Oshibata on river.
Okay, so Ojuro is what floats in the Omi.
Is the
Oshi-
lily the lily pad is there, right there, covering the water.
Okay.
Is bigger.
Yes.
The
That's it.
Ojuro is smaller. The Oshibata is
Bigger.
wider.
Okay.
Right.
So the Ojuro is what floats in the Omi.
Yes.
The Oshibata is what floats in the Odo.
In the Odo.
So what's the meaning? Like,
It's a proverb,
it's a proverb. What's the meaning?
but
Yeah.
it's more than a proverb.
Okay.
It's also could be used inside an incantation. That because the Ojuro stays floating on top of water,
Uh-huh.
and then because Oshibata stays floating on top of the Odo. For that reason, I will stay afloat in front of my enemies.
I like that. Yeah. That's a prayer. Okay.
You see? You see?
Now I get it. Okay.
Now you get it. That's how that
You're
is.
commanding certain laws
Exactly. And then you say I
of
share to
nature. I share.
that. Yeah.
Okay.
Say I share
I
to
should
that.
learn
and
that
then
one. But say it again in
becomes-
Yoruba.
it
I think we should
becomes
record. You're recording it.
Yeah. I'm
It
recording
becomes
that particular one.
It's a good affirmation to say.
affirmation and becomes concrete when you put the share on it. Right?
Yes.
Share it, but I saw slowly.
Wait.
Share ti eléyìí.
Ojú
Ojú oró ní lékè omi, Òṣìbàtà ní lékè odò. And that's how the talking drum will say it. Dun 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 dun. Dun di dun dun din dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Right?
Yes.
You listen to the talking drummers, they'll be saying that sometimes. All right?
Perfect.
Good.